Hi, I'm Sarah Kloster, and I'm an MPH candidate in the Family and Community Health. Crisis Connection Collaboration is a grant proposal for Canvas Health. Canvas Health is a nonprofit organization that has multiple locations within the Minnesota Twin Cities and the surrounding suburban areas. They were first established in 1969, so they have over 50 years of experience bringing their mission to life. Their mission is to bring hope, health, and recovery to those we serve. Canvas Health was originally built because a group of community members felt that there was a high need for more mental health services for the vulnerable community population. They wanted to ensure that the mental and behavioral health services were available, but also affordable, and to bridge that gap between primary care and mental and behavioral health. With the funding for Crisis Connection, Canvas Health could hire more experts and care teams to help staff the connection to ensure that the community has a singular resource where those struggling with mental illness, substance use, or abuse can get the help they need in a crisis. The original Crisis Connection was shut down due to funding in 2018, and this is important because Minnesota has a high rate of hospitalizations due to mental illness. And there are over 173,000 Minnesotans that have thought of suicide. The new Crisis Connection would serve the community and anyone in Minnesota, having hired staff members who are professionally trained psychologists, therapists, or social workers, offer an expert panel for patients to utilize and to build trusting relationships with. Also using the grant money, the tablets or iPads would be purchased to further source the telehealth, which is kind of the way that medicine is going right now. So then rather than just having that phone call, patients could also establish a relationship by having a face-to-face interaction through that use of technology. Over the course of a year, office space, technology, and hiring would occur, along with ensuring that everyone is trained properly and that the systems are ready to go. When the evaluation is over after a year, a call monitoring system would be in place to record the volume of calls and to ensure that the care being provided is necessary and that protocols are being followed. A statewide analysis would also be examined for the amount of hospitalizations due to mental illness and to see if Crisis Connection was making an impact. The budget for this program is quite large, but that's due to the funding, the salary for the three trained professionals, and making sure that the technology stays relevant and that the space is workable. The goal of Crisis Connection is to have a singular entity and a long-standing entity that can build trusting relationships and that can be utilized by the state and to help with the Minnesota state quality measures. I'd like to thank Canvas Health for allowing me to work with them on this grant proposal, especially Julia Yock for providing me much needed insight. I'd also like to thank my classmates for giving me constructive feedback and to ensure my proposal was the strongest it could be to help Canvas Health and to eventually help those patients and community within Minnesota. If you'd like more information on Canvas Health, this is a QR code to their website. Thank you so much.